Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to remove the lock screen password from your Samsung A13. Remember, this will erase everything on your phone's memory. For some models, connect the USB cable to your phone and laptop, but no need to download any programs, okay? And repeat this process I'm showing you now. Let's get started. Press the volume down and power buttons. When it restarts, release volume down and press volume up, okay? Let's wait. Release volume down, press volume up. When Samsung shows on screen, release power. Release power, keep holding volume up until it enters recovery mode. Keep pressing. If you're not subscribed yet, take the chance and subscribe, okay? It'll help us a lot. Keep holding the volume up button. On this screen, remember this works for some other Samsung models too, okay? Here, go down with volume down to the fifth option, wipe data, factory reset, confirm with power. On the next screen, go down and confirm with power. Wait for this screen to complete to continue unlocking. If you need to remove the Google account from this or any model, we can do it remotely. My WhatsApp is in the description. Contact me if needed. Okay, let's wait. We reach this screen will confirm. If this video helped and you can contribute to our channel without affecting yourself, our pics is in the description. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.